Late breaking news. Monroeville, PA. All this month, AC Staples will be riding around town in his 2019 Nissan Rogue dressed in a skeleton costume. Last month, Staples sustained minor injuries to his upper body when the steering wheel on his 2019 Rogue locked up and forced him into oncoming traffic, dubbed My Nissan Deathtrap by Staples because of a potential safety defect in the 2019 Rogue steering column. Staples is hoping to inspire Rogue owners to call Nissan USA and to ask the car manufacturer to recall the 2019 Rogue before someone gets killed.
Perfect.
Here's what you can do. You can call or text the Nissan Consumer Affairs Department. Tell the folks at Nissan to recall the 2019 Rogue, a potential safety hazard with the steering wheel locking up. One person has been injured already. Let's keep our roads safe. And remember to leave the blood at the blood bank and not on the road. Hasta la vista, baby.